Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing awesome. I'm so behind on videos and I wanted to show you my Club Echo Park kit. This is an every other month kit and I think it's a great price. It's $29.99 free shipping. A box this big, I mean, this is a huge box. That's my ruler, so what's that? 14 inches. You can't even see it, but the same. It's huge. It's gotta be $8 in shipping. So I think it's a great thing. I don't know. I think it's awesome. And they give you like a lot of stuff, and I like getting something every other month. I like getting my tonic one every month because I love tonic, and I've only recently started getting their dyes and everything. So it's good to get that one. But Echo Park, you know, everybody can find it, whatever, but I think this is a deal. So let's open it. My son Marshall ripped the box and must have really wanted to see what was in it. No. Let's see what this says. Bounce back bonus. Get an additional 10% off your next order at the Echo Park online store. Huh. That's nice. Shop our new collections. Magical Birthday Boy, Magical Birthday Girl. Join our new Card Makers Club. The Card Makers Club. I just saw it today. You get a 6x6 pad with 24 papers, a stamp set, and some form of an ephemera, maybe the tags and whatever. I don't know, all of it, including shipping, $19.95. So, I mean, I think that this is, oh, it says right here, $19.99, sorry. Bi-monthly, again. Contains exclusive stamps, 6x6 paper, and embellishment for every card. So, being a member of this club, I don't know what additional member-only discounts are. I haven't looked for them, but just saying. And here are their new collections. Wow, I guess babies are the thing. And then they send you this inspiration sheet, which is super cute. I love the smell of the paper. It's all new in here. Yes, because Winter Market is the thing, and I thought that was awesome, because wasn't they just saying we should do Valentine's Day in January, and winter should be in February, because Valentine's Day is so early. 14th, as you know. So, okay. Well, my box is fighting the paper. It comes nicely wrapped like this. Let's see the other side. Okay, so let me get all of this out. So much yummy goodness. And I think it's a whole lot of good stuff for the price. I know I keep saying this to you, but then I open it again and I realize, geez Louise, look how much stuff is in here. Okay, let me get rid of this box. Excuse me, don't hit the camera. Thank you. Sorry. Pardon me. Alright. We got this 12x12 collection. These are the stickers. Fun in the snow. Snow much fun. Yeah, this little guy looks like a fox. He's like a penguin, but he's gray. I'm not sure what that's all about. Snow days are the best days. So cute. And it has all of the 12x12 papers. And here's the 6x6, which I'm, yes, assuming are the same papers as the 12x12, but I'll go through these because it'll be easier than opening up the whole 12 by 12. I'm trying to make my videos not as long, which is hard because I can't stop talking. Right on. So, oh, and heck, what is this? Let's go. Thank you. Yep, so they're double-sided. Oh, cute cups like Coco. Stop it. Snowflakes and stripes. Snowmen and little critters, bunnies, and everybody's skating. Or not skating if you're this guy. I don't know. Snowflakes again. Plaids. Love it. Mittens, socks, and hats. Super cute. Little baby tags. Pretty. Nice. Solid. Ooh, more snowflakes. And look at this one. Cool. And everybody here is skiing. Good for them. I don't ski, but I admire it. It's so pretty. Snowflakes, snowmen, dark paper, snowflakes, pretty greens, more tags and such. These are very small, but we know the 12 by 12 will have them. And now it starts all over again. So that's the paper. So you get 12 by 12, where I don't remember how many sheets it is, but you can see it's thick. I think it's probably the same. Got the 6 by 6 also. We get the enamel dots. We get the ephemera die cuts. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Hold them up for you. Like a little ticket with a snowman. It says winter. More little tags. Today and banners and cute things. They're so cute. So you get 33 pieces of that. You get stamps. Warm winter wishes, a snowflake. Today was perfect. Warm, cozy, and bright. Thanks, just for you. Feather snowflake, stay cozy. Another snowflake. That's awesome. And to finish up, the chipboard. Super dope. That's what I'm saying. This stuff is great. So I think that this is a really good value for a kit. Totally. I mean, think about it. Tuesday morning, this paper would be $6.99. This would be $3.99. That's 10. That would be $2 probably. It's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I mean, when you remove the shipping, it's really worth the money. And that's what I think. And I hope you guys think so too. So thank you so much for watching and for continuing to be so very sweet and wonderful. And I appreciate you all so much. I hope you know that. Here's that code, bonus 10. Hopefully it'll work for you. And never know if you want to go there. Who knows? And that's it. So I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay awesome, everyone. Bye.